Hello everybody. Today we're going to tackle the error message, error occurred while retrieving records inside your SuiteCRM system. So let's go. Most likely you've been seeing something like this here, and now you're wondering where this comes from, why do I have this here, and how can I solve this? So let's go into the details and look at why that happens. So what could be possible, or one possibility for this to happen is you've got maybe an intern or one specific user, and this user should only help with one specific task. So you created a special role for this user, and the role is basically, let's say the user should only be adding targets. So you've got targets enabled and everything else very reasonable disabled. The thing is, the alerts module is causing this issue because the alerts module will be triggered or called directly from the dashboard. So once somebody logs in and the notification icons, this one here, shows up at the top right, and then this one, in order to know that there are no current notifications, or if there are any, they would be displayed there, the alerts module needs to be read. So if for this role I disable it, it comes to this problem. And if I just enable it now, I save it, and then I switch over to the same user and I refresh the page, and now we don't have any other access, so there are no other modules available. I can only work on the targets, but my error message has been gone, and I can see the notifications here, and it would all fit nicely and work nicely, so I don't have any error notifications anymore, and I can start working on the system even though I've got a very limited access or permission into the system. So this is how you can probably solve it. I've seen it in some other cases, which usually is related to some customizations or something more difficult or complex. But this one here is what I've seen very often in the forum. So that should be the go-to test that you do first in order to see whether you can solve the problem in this way. Thank you very much for watching. That's already it for this video. See you next time. Bye.